Hi everyone, welcome back to Foxy. I'm Tejeshwar and my Instagram channel is Blueberry Blackout. I'm going to quickly walk you through my daytime skin regime, so let's get started. The first step is obviously cleansing, and it's very important to use a product which has as less chemicals as possible. So I use the Arata Zero Chemicals Face Wash. Once you're done cleansing, it's super important to give your skin that extra layer of protection and just restore its pH balance, so you can use a toner. I use this one by It's Skin. We've spoken about the under eye gel before, which actually helps reduce the puffiness and dark circles in the night regime video before, but it's really important for you to do it twice a day, so I use this one by Beardo. I understand that it gets a little hectic if you have to use a moisturizer and then follow it up with a sunscreen. So I end up using this combination one by Khadi Natural. Now you have all the steps you need to do to prep your skin for a long day ahead. Thanks for watching. Stay fab, stay foxy.